Hey everybody, Bigfoot here, Bigfoot Videos. So in today's video, we're actually going to start moving over these crepe myrtles into our individual pots into some seed starters. We're going to start moving some of these Peggy Martin roses and some of these other crepe myrtles, my redwoods and purple ones. And we're going to get them over here and we're going to put those in pots as well. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section. As soon as the video's over, go check out some of their other content. Enjoy the next clip. Alright, so I'm going to pour a little bit of water around this one here. Try to loosen up the sand. And get it out without breaking the roots. That one's in there. Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, they were in there pretty good, so got some good roots on that one, so I'll be able to drop this straight in my pots. Right here. Pretty long roots, longer than I thought they would be. So I'll break this in around that and I'll top it off with some more soil. There's some seed starter. That fan's killer back there. So now I can get a really good root ball inside this seed starter. Well, this shouldn't have any fertilizer in the seed starter. That's like coconut pieces and what did it say? Yeah, this is for seeds and cuttings. It's got coconut, coir, and then herbs for grapefruit. But it should have like peat moss and stuff like that in it. So I'll time lapse the rest of these. Hopefully I can save all of my roots. So alright everybody, that's going to do it for today's video. I only had time for the white crepe myrtles, and I'll have to do my rose cuttings at a different date, so make sure to stay tuned for that video. Hope you enjoyed today's content. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Help us get to 500 subscribers. We're getting real close, and join the journey. Appreciate everybody watching. Bigfoot out.